To allow an app to use mobile data in the background in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap connection, and then tap data usage, tap mobile data usage, and then tap the app you like to allow to use mobile data in the background. Next, tap the gray on offset next to allow background data usage to enable this option. The switch turns blue when it's on. When this option on, it means that the selected app will be allowed to use mobile data in the background. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.